Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and I have quite the sweet tooth. I love cakes and pies, and one of my absolute favorites is a delicious and creamy key lime pie. So let's go mini with some vegan key lime pie tartlets. Let's dive in. Every good pie starts with a crust, so bust out a food processor and throw in some coconut sugar and melted vegan butter, along with a sleeve of graham crackers. The brand I use has 9 crackers per sleeve. Let the food processor do its thing until you have something similar to a wet sand. Now take out a muffin tin and put a cupcake foil into each hole. Put in a scoop of the crust into each foil and pack it flat so it's nice and dense. Throw it into a 300-degree oven for around 10 minutes and put it in the fridge to cool down. Now for the moment you've been waiting for, the filling. Clean out your food processor and add key lime juice, sugar, coconut cream, and the zest of half a lime. For the part that makes this creamy and delicious, avocado. Give that a good blend and make sure to scrape off the side so everything gets as smooth as possible. Once that is as creamy as it can be, take out your crust and scoop in the key lime mix into each of the foils. I recommend doing a little bit at a time to ensure they all get an even amount. Put that back into the fridge for around 2 hours and then let's plate this dish. All the joy of a pie in a little tiny bite. Our avocado gives the filling a nice creamy texture, but the key lime definitely dominates the flavor. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. What are some of your favorite sweets? Let us know in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. Sad face.